The Noozles will be right back after these messages.
We are the Nicktoons, mighty, mighty Nicktoons. Everywhere we go, people want to know who we are, so we tell them. We are Doug, all new Doug. Everywhere we go, people want to know who we are, so we tell them. We are Rugrats, brand new Rugrats. Everywhere we go, people want to know who we are, so we tell them. Nicktoons, mighty, mighty Simpy. Everywhere we go, people want to know who we are, so we tell them. Nicktoons on Nickelodeon!
The Nicktoons, every Sunday starting at 10, 9 Central on Nickelodeon.
Everything's ABC Delicious in Alphabet Cereal Land. Come on!
A is for alphabet.
Wow.
B is for ball. With great tasting alphabets, we're really on a roll. M is for marshmallows, love and blue. Pink, yellow, purple, orange, green, and blue. Y is for yummy letters we eat. So ABC Delicious. Get off his Aubergine.
Alphabets and marshmallow alphabet cereals. Part of this breakfast so nutritious.
We want more alphabets, cause they're ABC Delicious.
While climbing, secure figure 8 not to harness.
Motivation is the key to fighting illiteracy.
Take it to the top!
When taking pictures in low light, always use high-speed film.
In scouting, what you read is what you do.
Every weekday, come to Nick Jr. and giggle with my other bee. She's the world's silliest bee, with giggly friends and all kinds of giggles. You'll giggle topsy-turvy giggles, jump-on-in giggles, splashy giggles, even upside-down giggles that'll make you and
Yay! Hooray!
so come giggling along with Maya the Bee, weekdays on Nick Jr. And now, back to the Noozles on Nick Jr.